Do you have a student that had a problem with their attempt on a quiz and you want to grant them another attempt? Knowing how to add an attempt in Canvas quizzes is useful to empower you to grant that student that second chance. You will first need to go to a quiz in Canvas. On the Quiz Tool page, click on the Moderate this quiz button. Scroll down to the student's name that needs the time extension. Alternatively, you can use the search bar to find a student if your class is big. In this example, we'll use Mark. At the end of the row, click on the pencil icon to bring up the extension menu for that student. In the field for extra attempts, you can enter the additional attempts a student needs. Mark only needs an additional attempt, so I will enter a 1 to grant them the additional attempt. Once you have entered in the number of additional attempts, click on Save. You will need to add these exceptions to every quiz that needs an attempt. Unfortunately, there is no way to set up additional attempts for a student on the course level for all the quizzes. If you have any questions or require assistance, please feel free to reach out to us through the OES Course Assistance Forum. Thanks.